Yet another Android 11 based custom ROM with pretty good UI changes and can be used as a daily driver too. So I used this ROM for 3 days, and as you can see I'm using ArcaneOS 4.0 JINX and stock kernel is Neko Kernel Lite. Under display there is everything that we can get in almost every Android 11 ROMs, whether it is colors, double tap to sleep, music visualizer, media art and others. At the bottom we can find theming options for lock screen clock, fonts, accent colors and icon shape. Wallpaper and styles is renamed to Secret Shop. We can create themes or we can change lock screen clock, grid size or wallpaper. President layer is the place where you can get all of the customization which is under system or Grimo. Gaming mode is from ext2 UI. Status bar includes all of the customization, whether it is system icons, network traffic indicator, 4G icon, colored icons for status bar and notification header icon and others as you can see. Button includes some button related tweaks and system navigation option too as you can see. If you want to watch the complete customization then you can watch first look video. Under battery settings we can find thermal profiles and all of the other things. Security settings includes extra security options like scramble layout, face unlock and app lock. From sound settings we can find some sound related tweaks such as artwork media background, media player as notification, volume panel styles and more. And stock launcher is Launcher 12 Alpha 4. So the Geekbench result is average and CPU throttling test isn't looking that great either. And by the way, I used stock kernel for the test and for CPU throttling test the threads was at 16 because of this. Safety net is passed for rooted and non-rooted users. Just enable Magisk Hide if rooted. HD content consumer on Netflix or Amazon Prime should be able to enjoy it without having any issues because Widevine is L1.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
What is that?
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Heavy machine gun. You must die! Blah 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 blah. Expired! What the fuck is that? Oh hell! I've got you in my sights. Enemy!
Gaming is not that good as it is very laggy in classic mode and playing TDM should be fine because it runs fine without any issues. So I recorded gameplay at 1080p with stock kernel. But changing kernel should give much better performance, or if that's not enough for you, then you know what to do. Just flash some modules. Bugs is not that major and one of them is tiles and wallpapers crashing while changing wallpapers. And sometimes connecting to PC won't show anything. Restarting device will fix it and I didn't face any other bugs. By the way, subscribing to my channel is bug free. Just tap that button to see black magic. And you can join membership as well so that my channel can grow much faster. For settings, the layout is changed, system sound and some other settings is moved from the default place with a slightly changed style as well, which looks great and it focuses on the settings that have some extra tweaks. Those who went crazy after watching OctaviOS dialer revamped as OxygenOS style dialer, then there is a good news for you as ArcaneOS comes with that dialer and it includes package installer from .os. So as I mentioned in the bug section, these bugs is not that major but it can be very annoying for some users, especially those who change wallpapers constantly as they might love OnePlus cause they never settle, or connects device to PC most of the time for threading just like me. So this was the last update of Android 11 build and there will be no updates. So in the end I think it is pretty good ROM with some minor bugs. These bugs can be easily fixed and it can be used as a daily driver if you want to use it. Customization should be enough for most of the users, but for gamers it is not the best option out there. So it depends on you if you want to use it or not. You can watch some of my other videos which you can see on your screen right now. And that's it for this video.